What it do? I'm back with a little video here showing y'all how I'm gonna mix up a little soil for another bonsai I'm gonna plant. Like I said, I use mostly Miracle Grow here. Just want to get it about like that, because I'm not gonna overfill it. I just want to get this to train my bonsai. Like I said, I like to put a perlite on it so it'll have a good drainage. Perlite in it. Verticalite for my root growth. Get my little pillar here. Yeah, let's mix this up here. And like I say, I mix this with a little more Verticalite, then a little more perlite in it, because I'm gonna try to promote drainage, because it should be in this container here for like maybe three years, because I'm just trying to train the root. I just put it in a slightly bigger container. Just dig a little trench here. I'm using sorry about the plane. I'm just gonna pull these rocks off of here. I always kind of reuse my rocks once I pull them off. It's a quick little pop. Just come right out the pot. And like I said, I just want to kind of tease the root a little. Show you just a little quick tease here. And see how I'm training the root? I'm using slightly bigger pots each time. Tease away a bit of the root here. Tease just a little here, because I don't like to tease the whole ball and take too much soil from it. Because like I say, I'm just trying to thicken my trunk. About to say like yay. And all I want to do here is center it. Center it here. And just prop it up here so it'll be kind of straight. Okay, here's me. Maybe put a little more Miracle Grow in here. Just for the top soil. Yeah, it's gonna pack down a little. And there we have it. Voila.